Hello my crazy crafters, this is Lisa Renee and welcome back to my channel. I just want to show you guys a quick little hack, and I did it a few minutes ago. I'm gonna see if I can do it again. But have you ever messed up your vinyl where you see like the creases where it was, when you pulled it off, it was too much heat, or maybe this part didn't, it didn't stick to it enough. But I don't know if you can see the little wrinkles in it. So anyway, my last one, little piece over here, I did it and it worked. So I thought I would just share this little hack with you, because I know before when I did it, I'm like, I just redid the t-shirt because I'm like, dang it, I messed up my vinyl. So I'm using my easy press. So I am going to put this underneath here for just a second or two, just to kind of heat it up, and then I'm going to smooth it back out. So I did it. I just tried it, so I'm gonna see if it's gonna work again. If not, you guys gonna see me fail. So I just put just a little heat on here and I just straighten it out with my finger. See, you can see it's straightened, it's out. So I'm just gonna lay it flat and push it down. See, I probably could have put a little more heat right here, but see right here, it's done. It's no longer like all crinkly. So I'm gonna do it a little. Oh, I guess it would help. Maybe that's why it didn't work. My why y'all didn't tell me that my easy press was off. So let me just give it a second. It's still hot though. It still should be hot enough, because it would have just went off. And I'm just gonna leave it. I had it on my time. I had it on 360. But again, it should be hot enough because it just went off. So let me try to go ahead and do it again. So I just thought if this, works, if you guys, if that ever happened to you guys, then you could try this too, so that you don't have to redo your whole shirt. See. Yeah, I think that's good. Then I'm just gonna straighten it out so I can lay it flat. Oh, look, I put some heat on this one. Look, be careful where the spot you put it in, okay? So look, I made the other little part, but so if you guys try this, you can post a picture in the comments below, or you can also post it on my Facebook crafting group, Crafting with Lisa Renee. Or if you have any other tips or tricks to make this easier, let me know. Anyway, love you, mean it. I'm doing me. I'll pray for you. You pray for me. Bye for now.